adjust my pace. Keep waiting for her. And now she's here. Just take it slowly. Nagawa niya!
We did it!
Iniwan ko siya kasi sabi niya hindi niya nakaya.
We did it! Oh my god!
It's tough! Oh my god!
We did it! Oh my god!
Talaga, basta pagdating ko dyan talaga, talaga yung yung luha ko. Shit, sabi ko siya, tapos nakaganon na lang ako dyan, no?
We did it, guys!
Come! Oh my god!